Boys, we are recording. Today we got a nice little race. I've not played this game in years, and yeah. Got anything else to say?
We got a race. Glitchless speedrun, so I can't do laser strats.
Alright.
Okay.
It's any percent glitchless. Alright. You ready?
Yeah. Yep.
3, 2, 1, now. Alright. We're going in. We're going in.
Hey. Is it hey?
We're going in.
Could explode. Wall jumping hard. Ooh. Oh, I could have died there because I'm stupid. Okay, pretty good double jumps.
Okay.
Pretty good double jumps.
Here we go.
Go through this. Dodge that. Oh, I almost tried to do laser strats. I'm dumb.
You're already at laser?
Yeah.
We're going. We're 30 seconds in.
30 seconds in. 32 for me.
Hope I don't bump the stop timer button.
Oh, what's your stop timer button?
It's page down, but it's right above my right arrow key.
Oh, that can't be good.
No!
Oh.
No, there's no way. There's no
Travis,
way.
am I ahead? Has the rookie beaten the god? At least right now. Okay. As long as I don't mess up lasers, I'll be fine. Because I usually just. Well then.
Oh, death?
Okay, I'm just gonna wait. I have time. I have time to beat Travis.
That's what
I just
you
need
think.
to just need to not die on Rainbow, because that's probably my worst section. Rainbow.
You're on Rainbow?
No. I'm not on Rainbow
Yeah,
yet.
that's
That'd
like
be,
past
impossible.
world record level.
That's like impossible. What? Stupid! Literally
Clutch.
dumb. Are you on jetpack?
No, I just passed jetpack.
No! I died like 3 times and then. Shoot.
No.
Alright. Jetpack's done. Oh, I should have splits. Oh, never mind.
I don't have any
done.
splits on. It's fine.
We should totally have splits. We might do that for the next one if we ever do another one of this.
We'll definitely have to do a part 2. We need a part 2.
We do need a part 2 because I'm bad at this game. We need to grind this. It's just like my 4th time playing this game.
I'm on second.
So I know some of the rooms, but I'm not good. How? I think I'm close. If I remember the stages correctly.
Oh no!
Nice. Whoa, okay. I'm on purple section.
Yeah, it's that one.
I was on purple sliders. Okay,
Purple
second jetpack.
sliders?
No, I don't know what the actual term's called. The arrows. I'm on second jetpack now, I think. Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah. Wait, did I do this wrong?
No, I should have jumped. We're on the crossroads.
It's this one, right? Yeah, it's that one. I forgot the route. I legit forgot the route.
Are you on teleporter?
Yeah. Oh, I'm stupid.
Okay. This is okay. Spawn killed.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I always forget that thing. I always forget.
Okay. This is gonna be where most of my deaths are.
Where are you at? Rainbow?
Crossroads. I don't understand. I was so good at this. There we go. We're on first magnet section.
You're insane. Alright, Crossroads is done for me, I think. Magnets. I just got to magnets. I died immediately. Because I'm good. Oh, I died again. Because I'm good. Don't worry, I'm good. I have world record. We're 420? No! I'm gonna lose this so hard. Oh, why I wall jump? I just have to hold wall. I'm dumb. There we go. Okay, are you on? Oh, I'm terrible. Are
I'm
you
like going slow and steady wins the race.
You're probably going to win the race if you go slow and steady, because I need to go fast. You have better tech than I do. Oh, what the frick was that?
Would you be?
Where's my momentum, dog? I really do suck at this game.
Just get good.
I did
good.
die to that. Yeah, that's a get good move.
Alright, we are on rainbow. The audio of your voice.
I should have got my jump back there. What the? No, the magnets are screwing me over. Aha, I never die in this section. I'm just bad. That's getting to me. Okay, gamers, don't speedrun your games. Unless you really like them.
Oh, I should have done like split one for me, and then just ended the timer for you.
Oh. Okay, let's not mess this up. I said let's not mess this up. I'm stupid. Wait, you had two splits? Like two splits?
No, I don't. I should have. I should have had.
We'll do that. We'll do that next time. This is the scuff version. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I swear to God, this game. Do you know if you hold down, you actually go slower in sections?
In what section?
Like, okay, so when you're rising the arrows, you can hold down, and you actually like you go down.
Yeah.
You literally go down. I didn't know that for the longest time. I just proves how much of a gamer I am, though, that I figured that out.
I died in literally the exact same spot.
Ooh, okay. What do you want right now?
Rainbow still.
Holy. Oh, I'm on sniper curves, I think. I don't know if they're curves yet, but... I literally ran into that. Come on, dude.
There we go.
I'm just worse. I'm just worse. Okay, if I could just hit it one more time. Don't worry, boys. I'll get better.
There's some easy claps right here. Okay. I say that as I die.
True. Rainbow. Are you slow and steadying rainbow, or are you like...
No, I'm done with the rainbow.
Oh no, I'm so behind. If I could do laser strat, I'd probably be pretty far ahead, but... Oh my god. I just skipped with lasers. I'm just mad. Yeah. I don't want to get copyrighted.
I don't think. Isn't that like your own voice?
No, they can still copyright you if you use the same tune. How stupid. Over the horizon, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Over the horizon. Oh my god, I've died to that too many times on that teleport part. What are you on?
I'm on the square one, like the yellow. Oh, okay, now I'm on boss fight.
Okay, well, unless you like royally fucked up, I lost for sure. Oh my god, I'm stupid. We're not thinking. I'm not thinking at all. Okay.
Boys. Oh, I forgot to moonwalk.
Yeah, you stupid head. You should have moonwalked. Did you win already though?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I did die.
Let's go. Okay, this gives me a lot of time.
I once again forgot to moonwalk. I hope you can hear my
Travis,
keyboard.
You don't win if you don't moonwalk. Just saying. Let's not talk about that. Travis, guess what I died on?
Some really easy section.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Like using my inputs, so cool. Did I dodge that?
Okay, you're actually joking.
Let's go. Let's go.
You're actually
let's go.
joking.
Okay. We have time.
You're actually joking. I once again forgot to moonwalk.
Okay, if I can one time, you don't win without moonwalk. I'm gonna call that right now.
That's funny. That's funny.
No! Oh, I'm on orbs.
You're on the first orbs?
Guess so. I'm also
Oh my! I'm
really
actually choking. I'm actually
really
choking.
bad at second orbs, dude. And you know it.
Okay, I'm now moonwalking. I actually remembered.
Nice. You're gonna win now. You're literally winning now. There's no trap there. Oh, okay, we're on boss. We're on boss. Come on. I practiced this so hard. I practiced boss so hard last time. Oh, I didn't moonwalk. Okay, well, GG. I should just kill myself. Okay. Kitty must die. Kitty must die. Not happening, boy. Not happening. I practiced this like half an hour.
What?
Oh.
There's no way you win this. This is intense.
I'm winning this.
This is actually intense.
I'm literally winning this. I'm not asking. Good cycle. Good cycle.
This is
we're
funny.
On red. We're in red.
This is funny.
Come on. Can I 1D this? Can I 1D this?
This is actually intense.
Black. We're on black. We're on
This
black.
is actually intense.
Train. Oh. Please, let me live this. Let me live the blacks. Let me live the black balls. Come on. Good RNG. Oh!
No, there's no way. There's no way.
Oh! 1156, boy! Oh!
I actually choked so hard. I choked so hard.
You gonna finish?
Not even. We're on 12.
That's not like how you're like, yeah, I'm gonna speedrun this in a group. Even though you haven't played it in like years.
Yeah.
I just want to, like, get pooped.
Alright, we're on black. The training the training is just dumb. Oh my! I'm actually sad.
I just reset my timer.
I was thinking there's no way we lose this. But alas, we have lost. I don't think I've ever died to a bomb before. That was my first time. Right there.
Guys, let me see if I can try to beat it before you do. I'm gonna try to beat it before you do.
No, there's no way. There's actually no way.
Oh, it's possible. Oh wait, the lasers are down already. Okay, this is much better. What? What was that? Okay, never mind. I like lose.
Is-
Oh! We're on the... We're on the boss! We're on the boss! Travis, if I beat it before... Oh, if I beat it before you do. Kitty must die. Kitty must die. Oh. Oh, I swear. I swear. I swear.
Practicing the boss, imagine.
I did it on accident because I just wanted to play it again since we knew we were speedrunning. But, like, I just died so many times. I just got mad. But now I know his patterns pretty well.
He has 2.
I know. Oh!